have to be out back behind. There's lots of fish in here. What's the fish in here? Is it?
Well, there's some big carp,
Oh,
which are kind of bad for the lake.
yeah, they are.
And then catfish. There's some pike.
Okay, yeah.
I think some people have reported getting some walleye.
Oh, yeah.
Perch, bass, maybe a little bit, but not much.
It's kind of nice in this area today.
Well, the pike's not too bad.
Oh, yeah.
Boats are only supposed to go 10 kilometers an hour, like on what industrial boats say.
You still have that aeration fountain in the bay?
Well, it's there, but it's not on.
Oh, really?
So I don't know what the deal is there. They just haven't put it in, but I would have thought if they were going to put it in, they would have by now.
We got it right